Okay, let's go through a few of its features. We have a num lock light. We have a cap locks light. We have a scroll lock indicator. Scroll lock. So there they all on. There they all off. We have a Winlock LED indicator. That must be that one. I'd have to remember to turn off the Win key. Let's see if I can remember. There we go. So all on. All off. That's simple. Alright, function keys. We have multimedia function keys. We've got play, pause, stop, back a track, forward a track, the Winlock, home key, and calculator. Let's see, does that pull up the calculator? Oh my goodness, it pulled up the calculator. Oh, now I've got two calculators. Spamming calculators! How do I close those? There we go. Don't need that many calculators. Alright, that's the multimedia function keys. Illumination. Alright, the illumination function. We got off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. The side to side keys give you change colors. Purple, red, orange, green, dark green. I guess that's dark blue, purple. Okay, enough of that. Oh, and it does go backwards, just in case you missed that part. Reactive lighting. There you go. Alright, now the hard one. User defined. So, this sets up the user definitions. Function control W. All lights blinking. Select desired keys to make the keys light up. So let's say we want O, C, N lit up. Press function control E. Function control E. Now we've got WASD and OCN lit up for whatever reason you want. Alright, to change it back, we got function F4. That's the one that changes colors. We got function F5. This cycles the rainbow colors. We got function F7. So this will give us two colors. I think we can change the colors. Nope, I am wrong. It says 6 sets of colors. Oh, let's try function. Ah, there we go. I knew there was more colors. And the next one is function F8. It says special effects. Oh, so that's the rainbow breathing effect and faster rainbow breathing effect. Now, those would of course look much better in the dark, so I'm going to give it to you again in the dark.